Hello, and welcome to Docens Digitalis TV, the channel where you'll learn the essential English vocabulary to navigate laws, politics, and government, especially in the United States. If you want to improve your ability to discuss political topics in English, express your opinions clearly, and respond to different viewpoints effectively, you're in the right place. Here, we break down key phrases in a simple and practical way so you can use them with confidence. In today's video, we'll cover key phrases for political discussions in English. These phrases will help you express your opinions, agree or disagree respectfully, and engage in meaningful political conversations. Let's get started. When sharing your thoughts in a political discussion, use these phrases. In my opinion, this policy is necessary because I strongly believe that. From my perspective, the best solution would be. To show agreement and support another person's argument, you can say, I completely agree with that point. That's a great argument, and I'd like to add. You're absolutely right, and here's why. If you want to express a different opinion while keeping the discussion respectful, try, I see your point, but I have to disagree because. That's an interesting perspective, but I believe that. I respect your opinion, but have you considered? A counterargument is a response to an opposing view. You can introduce one by saying, some people argue that, but in reality. While that's true, we also need to consider. That argument assumes that, but the facts show otherwise. If you don't fully understand someone's argument, use these phrases to ask for more details. Could you explain what you mean by that? Can you provide an example? I'd like to understand your point better. Could you clarify? When wrapping up your thoughts, use these phrases. To sum up, the key issue here is, at the end of the day, this is about. In conclusion, we should focus on. If you want to keep the conversation going, try saying, that's an important debate, and I'd love to hear more perspectives. This is a complex issue. Let's continue discussing it. What do you think about this topic? By practicing these phrases, you'll feel more confident engaging in political discussions, whether in debates, academic settings, or casual conversations. The more you use them, the easier they will become. If this video was helpful, please support our channel by liking this video, sharing it with others, and subscribing to Docens Digitalis TV. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content for learners like you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.